Hello and welcome to Puzzles Please. I'm Maddie and today I'm going to be trying something a little bit different. It's still a jigsaw puzzle, but here I have got the Rubik's Cube, two impossible jigsaw puzzles, or so they say. So when I first saw this, I thought these puzzles might be 3D, being a Rubik's Cube, and the image looks 3D, but they are actually flat puzzles, and it's only 80 pieces in total in the box for the two puzzles, so I can't see it being that hard, can it? The puzzle comes in this nice little sturdy box with Rubik Cube colours all over it. I think this would look pretty cool on a shelf. Right, let's take a look inside. Okay, here are the pieces. Ooh, look at that. Look how glossy they are. Very nice. And really thick cardboard. You see that? Really strong. That's a good start. So this is meant to be impossible, but it's only 80 pieces. I have separated the puzzle pieces out now into two piles. This side we've got what appears to be edge pieces, and there's quite a lot of them. And on the other side is puzzle pieces, and they're all standard shape. I think the most difficult aspect of this puzzle is simply going to be the fact that all these pieces here belong to two puzzles. So we're going to be figuring out which pieces belong to which puzzle. Just finished doing the borders on the two puzzles. At the moment they don't all click in. What I mean is I've got bits that just match up. The pieces all fit together really nicely, and it's really easy to see if they go together or not. Really enjoyable and satisfying so far. So I've just got the middles to complete now. Out of the pieces, I've got them all lined up, faced upwards. There we have it, our Rubik's Cubes all completed and pieced together. Nice and satisfying to complete that one. Quite easy, only about 20 minutes. Thanks for watching today. Click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more puzzle videos. And until next time, take care and happy puzzling!